Hi, budget friends. Today I'm sharing a powerful but super simple tool to help you finally get a handle on your debt. It's my Snowball Debt Calculator Excel spreadsheet. Whether you're juggling a few credit cards, personal loans, or medical debt, this tracker will organize your payoff plan and show you exactly when you'll be debt free. Before diving into the snowball method, it helps to get everything in one place. That's why I'm including a free bonus file called Understanding Your Debt. It's a simple Excel sheet where you can list out all of your debts, the balances, minimum payments, and interest rates. You can grab that download for free from the link in the description. It's a great first step before building your payoff plan. Once you've gathered your debt info, open the Snowball Debt Calculator available in my Etsy shop. Let me show you how to use it step by step. First, enter your debts in order from smallest balance to largest. This is super important. The snowball method focuses on knocking out the smallest balances first, regardless of interest rate or minimum payment. The idea is to build momentum fast. As you pay off your debt, you roll that freed up payment into the next one. You can enter up to 6 debts. Each one is color coded in soft, muted rainbow tones so you can visually track each one. Rename each debt to something meaningful like Visa, car loan, or even dad if you're paying a family member back. Enter the balance, minimum payment, and interest rate. And if the interest rate is 0, just leave it blank. Now enter your start date. This is the date that you plan to start your snowball, so the first payment you plan to make. Now, here is where the magic happens. You'll enter the total monthly amount that you can realistically put towards debt, as long as it covers at least your combined minimum payments. The calculator takes care of the rest. All your payments will be broken down by debt and by month. So here you'll see my total minimum payments are $263 based on the information and debts that I entered, but I'm able to pay $325. So there is an excess. All of that will be put into the smallest debt first. So here my minimum is $15, but I'll be paying $77 until the debt is paid off. Each of the other payments in June, for example, will be the minimum payments. Once this one is paid off, that excess amount will be rolled into the next smallest debt. And then you roll in to the next smallest balance. And then you have a bigger chunk that you're paying until all of your debts are paid off. And it's all broken down for you. The spreadsheet will show you your estimated debt free date, how many months it'll take, and even small extra payments like $5 or $10 more each month can make a big difference in speeding up your payoff timeline. You can play around with different amounts to see how fast you can become debt free. There's also a printable, fully automated, and customized just for you payment plan tab using the same color coding where you can check off each month as you go. As you check off these boxes, the spreadsheet will automatically update your total paid and remaining balance, so you always know where you stand. If you want the Snowball Calculator for yourself, it's available now in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. The download includes the spreadsheet that you see here, a super simple how-to PDF, and just a quick note, this spreadsheet is for personal use only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who loves using spreadsheets to stay organized and on track. I know how overwhelming debt can feel, but seeing your progress laid out clearly can be incredibly motivating. If you're ready to take the first small step toward getting rid of your debt, start with the free Understanding Your Debt spreadsheet, then get organized and kick off your snowball plan. Let me know in the comments, what is your biggest goal for becoming debt-free? If you enjoy budgeting tools like this one, be sure to check out my yearly net worth tracker video. It's perfect for seeing the big picture of your finances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy budgeting! See you next time. Bye.